This is Janet, everybody.
Yes, I have to Janet.
What are we going to do with Janet?
Okay, Janet wanted to basically, she's always like, you know what, I see the red carpets and I want to create like an elegant updo, but my hair's heavy and I don't know how to do it. And you guys look at the red carpets. I sometimes look at the red carpets and think, how was that created? Like these sculpturous, like beautiful,
Right, it's like if I go to a restaurant, I'm like, how did they make that thing?
Exactly.
And how am I going to make that thing even better?
But I'm here to show you exactly how it's done. So these are the Hollywood secrets. So basically, we just put the hair into 2 ponytails. So it's 2 simple ponytails.
Okay.
Create the first look underneath. This look is all created with a hairnet.
Really?
So I did this on Hailee Steinfeld at the Oscars. This is Oscar-worthy hair, guys, and this is exactly how you do it.
Look at that. That's gorgeous.
Yeah, she is. So you basically pin the hairnet in, and then you wrap the hair in the hairnet. Now, what this does, it almost gives it like a water-like fabric, so you can literally twist and turn the hair. I'll show you exactly. So watch this. You can literally twist the hair into any kind of shape, and you can create these really beautiful, in fact, I'm going to spin you around so we can see, elegant kind of piecey, almost looks like a rose, you know, almost looks like an elegant flower. Now, guys, you can make it simple.
Dude, when you get to see the back of your head, you're going to freak out.
And also
you're
with
going to be
this,
so psyched.
she's going to be stoked. With this, you only need a couple of pins. Like, literally, I put 2 pins in. Her hair is actually really heavy. I made it more detailed by adding 2, but you can keep it simple by just doing 1. But, guys, you should try this if you want an elegant updo. It's super easy. Hairnets, okay? Hannah's hair, she really wanted to kind of basically take her ponytail from a gym ponytail into something that looked major for a night out, like fierce. You know, like the Ariana Grande kind of tightness. Now, the key to creating a really amazing snatch ponytail, as you can see on Ariana there, is all about the face shape. It's all about following the eye line of the cheekbone. So you can see here, the hair isn't saggy, it's completely snatched and high. So following the cheekbone literally transforms it from like a gym ponytail into something that looks amazing because it lifts the eye.
And what's this thing going on down here?
Well, that's just a nice little detail that I liked to add. It's a little braid. I think always adding a bit of a detail to a braid gives it a bit of a revamp.
Amazing.
But the hair hack here, guys, is about getting your ponytail higher. Now, she always said her hair is really long and it's saggy, so it drops. So what you do is you literally lift the ponytail. Everyone has a second elastic at home, somewhere in the drawer. And this is how I make the ponytails higher. I literally tie a second elastic even, slightly higher up. And this literally elevates it and gives you that kind of, you know, kind of 3D volumized ponytail, which you guys see on all the girls on the red carpet. You see how that elevates it up? And then you just scrunch it down. So everyone has elastic home. If you want to upgrade your ponytail, these are really simple techniques to do.
I can't believe that I literally, my jaw is dropped just watching a ponytail
You can see from the side as well.
That
see
is
that?
so gorgeous and cool.
She doesn't look like she's going to the gym.
Amazing. Anyway.